Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for February the 6th. The euro appeared weaker against its major counterparts as markets open, with Greece running out of time to meet international demands for more austerity. Various reports are suggesting that Greek leaders have been given until noon to decide on how to react to Troika's demands. This picture may give market participants a feeling of déjà vu. However, this time it's different. A number of analysts worldwide have been vocal over the past weeks, opposing rigid austerity, claiming it is struggling growth. The dilemma lies with Greece's political leaders, and investors are expected to brace for wild movements in the markets throughout the day. Looking at the week ahead, European Central Bank minimum lending rate decision on Thursday will be a central point of attention. Furthermore, Swiss inflation figures expected on Friday will be crucial for the future of the 120 floor the Swiss National Bank has set on the euro Swiss. The US dollar recorded losses last week as economic data showed strengthening US labour and boosted demand for riskier currencies. Monday morning is showing a reverse in sentiment as developments in Greece induce risk aversion, with the greenback experiencing buying pressure. The Australian dollar carried on its 2012 appreciation during last week, rising to 107.50 from 105.91 versus the US dollar. The Royal Bank of Australia will decide on whether to cut or leave its lending rate untouched tomorrow. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices open at $97.48 a barrel from $97.08. Gold rose to $1,727.98 an ounce from $1,725.83. And silver opened at $33.64 an ounce from $33.62. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 131.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 131.85. The dollar-yen pivot points at 76.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 76.35. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 106.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 106.80. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 158.30 with a preference to enter in short positions at 158.30. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9970 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9970. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 96.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 96.45. The gold pivot points at 1748 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1748. And the silver pivot point is 34.05 with a preference to enter into short positions at 34.05. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market movers are the EU Centix Index forecast to improve to -15 and the EU German industrial orders month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.9%. Now onto equities. In Europe, they were positive with the FTSE up 1.81%, the DAX up 1.67% and the CAC was up 1.52%. In the US, they were also positive with the SP 500 up 1.46% and the Dow up 1.23%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.10% and the Hang Seng was down 0.14%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.